Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I want to show you how to download and install the Mobilism app store to your Android TV. If you find the video helpful, please do well to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So the method I'm about to show is going to work on any Android TV device, Android TV box or Google TV, and also any TV device that runs on an Android operating system. So what you've got to do on your Android TV is that you go over to your download application, and if you don't have the download application, check the description of this video. There is a link I've added that is going to guide you on installing downloader to your Android TV. So after installing downloader, what you've got to do is to launch it, and this is how it should look like. Once you're here, please type in this code and make sure to type exactly what you see on my screen, 798715. If you type in something different, it's not going to work. So 798715. Once you type in that, you can go ahead there and launch. Now what this is going to do is that it's going to redirect you to the page to get the APK of the application. So just give it a second. Once the APK has been redirected and start downloading, you are going to be able to install it to your Android TV after it's downloaded. So just give it a couple of seconds. And also, if you found this video helpful and you get the application, do well to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So this is the page. It's going to redirect to the application, and then the application download your Android TV, and then you can go ahead and install. Please, I always recommend after installing the application, delete the app file to save space. So that's about this video. If you find it helpful, please subscribe for more videos like this.